What's up, y'all? April 27th. Quick sale today. I got one item going out. Well, it's with a couple things to it, but it's with a Pinocchio lunchbox. Also, it comes with a little thermal cup. All right, and this what came with it. This is a Disney Frozen sports watch. I don't know if it works or not. I'm assuming the battery's just dead in it from probably sitting and never probably being sold, but just kept it with it. So whoever wants it, they just add it. So wasn't really no charge with that. But together came with the thermal and the lunch pail, and all that together was $21.50 plus they paid for shipping, so they came out all together $33.48. So that's a nice little thing there. And I paid for that $8.37, and I had this for probably about a month now, and it finally sold. So I'm gonna go ahead and ship that out. Hopefully anything else happens. So until then, people, thank you for watching again, and I'm gonna see you in a minute. Good evening, everyone. April 29th. Got two sales today, so go ahead and get into that right now. The first item that's going out is some nose trimmers that I bought with the other stuff that I bought from last year. I guess some of this stuff is starting to actually finally sell. Wish they would have sold last year when I had them, but this is from my other account, and he sold for $19.75 plus free shipping. So I'm gonna ship that off, and I looked at the shipping cost. I'm gonna be for that. That would be at $2.76. So slide that in the poly bag, ship that on off. Hopefully the rest of the little things that I got sell, but if not, I guess it still just be sitting there. But I only got a couple more things left, but it's just the thing that having this for that long, but it is what it is. The next item up here, not gonna really pick it up, but I'm gonna show you. This is a Tefal steam cuisine, pretty much rice cooker. But I got this back on our auction, and I think I had this for about 2 weeks. Actually, I thought I actually had this longer than this, but it seems like it. But I had this for about 2 weeks, maybe two and a half, maybe. I think about 2 weeks. But it's sold for $23.99 plus shipping. The buyer paid I think $12.80, so it's coming out with a little over $30 altogether. Um, I I paid for this. I paid for this $7.17. So $7.17 sold for $23.99 plus shipping. It's pretty decent. So, and it's pretty new too. But finally got out of here, and I'm going to ship it in the same box that I received it in when I got it from the auction place, and it fits perfect. So all I need to do is just pack it up on the sides, with some paper, and seal that up and ship it off. So that is all for today. If anything else goes on, I'll let y'all know. But seems like sales been like a little bit slow at around the end of the month mark, but at the same time, kind of tracking my progress of all the sales I've been having since the beginning of this year, because I pretty much got started seriously this year, beginning of this year. So from January up to now, it's my sales are increasing. So that's a good thing for me. Now I'm trying to do like my next step for next month. I'm gonna try my best to increase inventory. So if my inventory increase more, I know my sales will increase more. So that's gonna be hopefully not so challenging, but how business go. So for all that said, that is it for me. Stay tuned next time. I'll let y'all know what's going on. But till then, stay tuned for life, learn from mistakes, and everything will be alright. Peace out, y'all. All right, guys. The one sale with what was it? Oh, the nose trimmers. Turns out the person, I guess, accidentally bought it, but whatever. It was like as soon as I print out the label, I guess they get a notification that's being shipped. Now you want to send me a message saying they made a mistake and ordered it. Like that order already been made, but I had to void the void the label, and then I canceled the order and got the refund back. So now I gotta wait for the little refund from the label. So all in all, ain't nothing lost, but just wish it would have been said something before I packaged it up and print out the label. But from that, I guess it was a trade-off because I had, and I'm getting a sale just now, and this is starting lineup. It's like a hockey sports figure, 2017 edition. I got this with a bunch of sports collection that came all in a box, and I paid for that whole box. Look here, $9.56 for the whole box of stuff that I got, and I'm already in profit with it because of one of the items. I forgot what it was that sold, which put me in the profit range. So the rest of these are just pure profit, and the rest, I think I got maybe one more listing of one other thing, and I just took the rest of what was left that I didn't list on its own and just put it in one listing. So everything that sells is going to be profit at that point. But I originally had this for $12 listed, and today I end up going back on there and looking at other listings that people were selling it for. Some had it for $44, some like $25 or whatever. So I end up raising it to $19.99, and I end up getting a watcher, and I sent the offer like probably 20 minutes ago. Sent the offer, took 10% off. End up dropping to $17.99, and I wasn't expecting them to even accept it that quick, but they did, and that was good because I just rose the price today. So it was $17.99 plus free shipping. I think it's $17.99. Yeah, it was $17.99 plus free shipping. So I'm about to package that up now and send that off. So now this I get probably this is probably the end of the day now, unless I get another sale. But I kind of don't know. I don't know. We'll see. But till then, peace out again.